Up and to the left. Do it again. I think that was down to the right. Okay, you got one more. All right, let's see what it looks like. Come to Papa. Let's see what do we got. Oh, not bad, much better. Look at this guy right there. Not bad. See, that's where you need to be. Good job. Not bad. You never shot this rifle before. That's good.